Hi, my name is Rebecca Carleen, and this is my introduction video to EDL 850. So I'm an instructor at Fort Hays State University. I'm getting ready to start my 4th year this coming fall. I teach ultrasound, and then I'm currently the director of the Diagnostic Cardiac Sonography program. I'm in pursuit to complete my master's in instructional technology, hoping to graduate this coming spring. On a personal note, I wanted to share a photo of my family. So this is my husband, Matt. We've been married for 5 or 6 years. And then my son, Brady, who just turned 5, and my daughter, Kinley, who just turned 1. So we're big sports fans. We like to go to as many games as we can. We're big Royals fans, as well as KU Jayhawks and then Kansas City Chiefs. Something we like to do as a family in our spare time during the summer and early fall is play golf. So a critical reflection of our administration when it comes to education law, I feel like they do a really good job in keeping us updated as faculty on some multiple topics, and then providing education, different webinars and workshops to further educate us in these areas as well. So some popular topics recently have been FERPA, Title IX, discrimination within the classroom, as well as the concealed carry. On a personal note, I'm very nervous, and I had to honestly say I've never really had a lot of interest in school law. I didn't go to school to be an educator. I kind of fell in this role. Luckily, I always had that passion to teach, but I'd gone towards the medical field, and so now I'm able to teach a passion that of mine to help those who want to be excellent caregivers in ultrasound. And so with me not having a lot of background in education, the first 3 years that I've been in this role, I've spent a lot of time just trying to survive, keeping my head above water, learning the role or the ins and outs of my position in the department as well as the university. And so when school law or educational law has been brought up, it just kind of is over my head, and I haven't taken a lot of time to kind of pause and understand any of it. So, which leads me to my plan. The plan is to become more knowledgeable. I'm wanting to become more involved within the university, and so understanding the educational law side of things is going to help me in becoming more involved in different committees and that sort of thing. I also am on the steering committee for my hometown district in Great Bend, Kansas. I'm on the technology committee, so that's kind of these classes within the MIT program have helped me in that role, but it would be good to have some more knowledge in education law to help me in those aspects as well. I'm also on the Learning Environment Committee, so to ensure that I know the different laws when it comes to education is going to help me be a better leader in these positions. So I'm excited to get this semester started and learn from each and every one of you. Hope everybody has a good semester.